A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. The journey of Ramalex began at 1988 when RBJ came to Pune with strong determination, strong willpower, self-belief and a never-say-no attitude.
I always wanted to do something important but enjoyable, something I could be proud of, can make my parents, family and friends and people around me proud of. Some way I could make some meaningful contribution.
His college friend Mr. Chandrasekhar More got him a job with an electrical contractor, Swati Electricals, Pune. He spent the next year being jobless, in isolation, pursuing his dreams.
After completing diploma in electrical engineering in Dayanand Sagar, Bangalore, I had job experience of marketing of heavy machinery in ITC, there only in Bangalore. Then non-destructive testing in NDT engineers in Bangalore, Mysore, Chennai and Goa. Supervising and marketing experience in manufacturing company, Breezy Fans, Akola. Agriculture farming at my native in Amkheda. And above all, my last job in Swati Electricals at Pune gave me exhaustive experience of promoting all duties except tension of managing funds and fear of losing something.
In the year 1990, when RBJ started his own company, Ramalex, with no money, no manpower, no earlier reference except job experience, he always had the support of his nearest and dearest friends. And most importantly, the support of his loving and understanding family.
By and large, I was very lucky to have 5 years job experience in various organizations, in various mainstreams, before starting my own enterprise of one-man show in basic electrical field of residential wiring. In short, I was like Amir Khan of Three Idiots. And I was fortunate enough to leave the job for next uncertain venture before I got fired.
After a year of struggle, he got his first independent job of wiring of the bungalow of Mr. Prakashji at Shirur. With dedicated involvement of Mr. Satish Kardekar, residential and commercial wiring work started to take most of the company's time. Inclination to add novelty in their work caught the attention of Mr. Tantri, the Deputy Executive Engineer, MSEB Kothrud branch, and he offered him a proposal to work with MSEB. This was a job of laying underground cables. This was just the beginning of Ramalex.
Up to this stage, Ramalex was still a baby who needed nourishment, and I wished to provide the same. No appointment letter was signed by me for the job. Yet, I had a clear picture in my mind of what need to be done to make this baby grow into a responsible and sustainable adult.
As from having laying underground cables, we progressed towards maintenance job of EHV substation and transmission lines for MSEB. 1990, Sita Polycoat, a 100% polyurethane surface coatings plant was established at Nanded Fata to support Mr. Baba Nigot to pursue his dreams. Now we have our own facility with world-class equipment at Shivane. We also have an in-house paint testing laboratory which is being managed by professional and experienced technologists as well as skilled painters and manpower, mainly doing export-oriented job with great success and satisfaction. Fortunately, during these years, Mr. Avinash Jogdand took complete control of the working and operations for Ramalex Private Limited to deliver customer satisfaction.
Consequently, I took up this responsibility of observation and execution of the operations of the company. Customer satisfaction was utmost goal the company desired to achieve.
This strong belief that their leader has a charismatic leadership quality ensured business sustenance irrespective of major hurdles. Customer satisfaction was achieved by providing world-class quality services like crimping, transformer erection with winching, oil filtration, hotline maintenance and testing with RPL manufacturing. The company is responsible for planning, investigation, execution, operation and maintenance of many projects coming under various zones of MSETCL and private sectors. Between 2006 and 2009, while we were growing and expanding, in the hustle and bustle, the management's focus got shifted onto other priorities. and our core philosophy of no corruption, no bribe was not percolated down the line.
RBJ always looked at hurdles as an opportunity for improvement, empowerment, and believes in sharing the success than the bribe.
During this period, RBJ played the role of Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. He started his universe from scratch, nourished it, developed a techno-spiritual culture, and maintained rewarding sustenance for all his teammates. Whenever there were malpractices and mismatch in values and cultures, he was forced to destroy the unethical, corrupt practices.
RBJ's qualities of not hurrying, not worrying, not getting panic, being agile, caring for all as a family were tested and demonstrated through this successful turnaround.
This strong belief that their leader has a charismatic leadership quality ensured business sustenance irrespective of major hurdles.
When Ramalex started, it was a vision of one man, Mr. Ram Baba Rao Jogdan. Over the last 25 years, this company has grown like a family. Over the years, we have improved the services and created a benchmark in whatever we set out to do.
Through our dedicated, highly experienced team of 5 fundamental departments of Ramalex Private Limited, that is R&D, services, testing, infrastructure, manufacturing, along with agriculture, CSR, GHKD and 4 subsidiaries, as well as 350 employees and counting.
When Ramalex became Ramalex Private Limited, with many family members and friends and associates, the vision became visible, and now it is connecting communities through global presence of creating benchmark, innovation and adopting techno-spiritual culture in the field of energy and agriculture, enabling to promote balancing family concept.
The charismatic leadership which RBJ is enjoying by his upbringing is demonstrated through the Silver Jubilee celebration.
The last 25 years, this company has grown like a family.
I feel honored to win the trust of Tata Saheb, and I feel energized to keep doing good work.
He will continue to demonstrate his global presence without compromising on his core values.
I would like to thank each and every one of you, especially family, friends, Ramalex team and stakeholders. I wish for many more years of fruitful and satisfying work to all of us.
These 25 years not only tell us the story of an enterprise, but also highlight the transformation of an entrepreneur to a successful businessman maturing through the experiences supported by his values, culture, and extraordinary human relation management.
Ramalex Group is a dedicated team of volunteers and has become a symbol of excellence and integrity. Together, we can achieve all our dreams, and we shall.